Hello, I'm Dr. Alice Chen, a professor from North Carolina State University. Today, we live in a world where AI doesn't just power technology, it shapes what people see, believe, and ultimately decide. In this program, we will explore a powerful question: how do digital campaigns influence human behavior? Students don't just learn marketing concepts, they also learn how AI, data, and communication shape decisions. So students will work on real-world projects, analyze campaigns like Airbnb, Nike, and emerging platforms, study storytelling, data, and engagement strategies, and they also will help to design their own digital campaigns using AI tools. And by the end of the program, students will analyze real consumer data, design AI-driven campaigns, present a college-level research project. This is not just about a class, it's a research experience. Many programs focus on building technology. This program will focus on understanding people. It combines AI, business, and psychology to explain how the real world works. Because in a world shaped by AI, understanding human behavior is just as powerful as building technology. And I look forward to working with you all. Thank you and welcome to my program.